Welcome back. Do you know that this stock made it to the top 5 gainers list 2 days in a row? I think you should watch it. It went by 25% one day and 36% second day. On the same day, the Chinese Twitter is called Weibo microblog went up by 11%. I'll try to explain to you why. Welcome to my channel. I review daily hottest stock gainers and losers. I'll try to introduce 5 of each and provide some brief introduction and analysis. So first, let's look at the overall vibe of the country. Trump had a meeting with the Intel CEO, and the CEO have an important task of making the 18 angstrom node. However, it doesn't seem like Intel is very confident. So Trump is trying to say that, hey, maybe the United States can be a partner with you. And we'll see how this goes, even if it happens. Overall, the stocks, you can see a lot of red, and Asia market, you see some red. It's very different from the past 2 days. Shanghai is green. A cryptocurrency is going down a little bit, and the interest is going up a little bit. One piece of news that's unrelated, but I think everyone should take notice, is a company called Applied Materials. Its stock is down 13%. Applied Materials makes the processing equipment that all the big foundries like TSMC and Intel use. So if Applied Materials says that no one is ordering our machines, it typically means that the chip manufacturers are slowing down. This have a very important downstream consequences, and you can draw your own conclusions about what it means. But please take a note. The 5 stock gainers today is Wolf, TeraWolf Inc., NEWEGG. It's on this list 2 times in a row, and that's why I put their logo twice. DLO is a company that helps international customers move money. Equinox is a gold company. They discovered a new gold mine. And Weibo, which is the Chinese Twitter. So I did some quick digging and research. TeraWolf, this company jumped yesterday. Overall, its year to date is choppy, and historically is choppy. So this company does computer data center. It's a Bitcoin mining outfit at the start, and it won a 3.7 billion hosting contract from Google. Google also is now having a stake, 8% stake in the company. So that's why it increased a little bit. But in the large scheme of things, it's really not that critical. NEWEGG went up 25% yesterday and 36% overnight. I'm a bit disappointed because its change happened overnight. That means this 36% is not really enjoyed by small buyers of stocks. dLocal is a very interesting company. It's a Uruguay company that's listed on New York Stock Exchange. It says it's a technology-first payment platform, bridges a gap between customers in emerging markets and global enterprise. And so I think what it sounds like, it helps big companies pay their maybe employees in third world salaries. So it went up really, really big, 31%. Equinox went up. Like I said, this is a gold company. And about 3 months ago, it says it discovered a high-grade gold mine in Nicaragua. Today, TD Securities upgraded this stock to buy. But overall, you can see that this year and historically, this is a relatively choppy stock. Weibo is a Chinese equivalent of Twitter. It started right after Twitter. It copied Twitter. And it's interesting that in the past year, it has a extensive growth period. I would really be curious uh, to find what drives this growth in a country like China. And the durable Chinese social media topped expectations for the second quarter. It made sure to mention that artificial intelligence is helping. So it's benefiting a little bit from AI, or at least the claim of AI. The top losers are Coherent, which is a technology company that makes lasers. Scilex, this company went up, was in the list of the top gainers yesterday, and today moved right to the top losers. Tapestry is I would call this a woman's bag company. It has Coach, Ubiquiti, and Nice. They are both technology companies that serves the enterprise. So both of them are down. I think they mean something. There's a signal. Coherent is dropping, and it apparently had very good performance. In the fiscal Q4, Coherent revenue was doing good. 1.5 is not terribly big, uh, but a single analyst, Vivek Arya in the Bank of America, said that the data center space is slowing. Data center is what the AI makers all use, right? So if the data centers are slowing, that means it's probably saturating. It doesn't necessarily mean AI is slowing. Uh, Scilex, as I mentioned earlier, it was on the uh, top gainers list yesterday, 20%, and it's on the top uh, losers list today. So it looks like somebody is taking the profit. Tapestry is a global house of iconic brands, including Coach and Kate Spade. You can see that just like Weibo, the past few months have been good to them. Historically, is a bit choppy, but it's on the rise. It makes very interesting products, in my opinion, $100 bags that are very interesting. So it's probably not surprising that it's gaining. Ubiquiti is a company, they build AI-focused voice generating solutions with global clients. So it basically provides mid-sized to large-sized companies with maybe Wi-Fi, phones, and so on. And it dropped a little bit in the past several years. You can see it went down and it's coming back a little bit. I think it most likely, I can guess, it went up because of COVID. Nice is a company in Israel. Was actually founded in 1986. It's an AI customer service automation solution. And you can see that in the historical view, it's been going down a little bit recently. Uh, just to echo this vibe, today I saw a piece of news that Coviv, the company, dropped 20% yesterday, and today it dropped 15%. It doesn't make the list of top losers today. However, the news is interesting because this is a company, they call this a AI hyperscaler for cloud computing. So we definitely see some softening of cloud. My takeaway of today for myself is that I think I see some signs of AI and computer hardware cooling down. Applied Materials and Coherent, they are warning double drop for Coviv and Nice and Ubiquiti are dropping. These are all, I mean, if you want to say that AI is cooling down or computing is cooling down, I would agree. Those are the signs. However, there are still some heat waves. Weibo and TerraWolf are gaining. Standard warning, the above only serves as observation, personal observation and commentary. Investment is very risky and one could lose everything. If you have come this far, I really appreciate your interest and I think we have found each other. You have found me and I have found you. And it's wonderful. Hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much.